Well, for years we've needed to take down this old shed. It's a machine shed. The roof blew off several years ago. Insurance paid us essentially enough to have it demolished. Of course, I'm not gonna pay someone else to demolish it. So we're going to try to basically extract all the materials that we can from it, all the good materials that are still left, which is quite a bit actually. The metal siding is all still good, most of it. So we'll scrap like the bent up pieces and stuff like that. But for the most part, a lot of it is still really good. And then we still have a lot of really good 2x4s, 2x6s, 2x12s, and the posts that are holding structure up are still good. So we're gonna be getting all those materials that we can to help with future projects, possibly another pole barn, chicken coops, rabbit hutches, and all that stuff. Basically building materials, right? Because those are valuable in their own right. And whatever we can't salvage will be scrapped. But you see, it's in pretty rough shape, missing an entire one side. Both doors have came off, and so it's kind of an eyesore now, and it's not very useful because it doesn't keep out the rain. And so we're tearing it down. I got the boys tearing down the second door. Got the first door torn up yesterday. You see we got a pretty good load of metal already on the trailer to take in.
Oh yeah, this can actually, hang on, this thing's...
So most of this metal can be salvaged, so try not to destroy the metal.
No, the wood probably can't. I got that piece. That's a copper.
Oh, it's just a baby.
Is that a copper?
No, I think it's...
harmless.
I'm not really sure what it is.
Don't bring it too close. It could be...
We're gonna get a video of it and then we'll identify it later.
Yeah, well,
I'm gonna try to bend them sort of flat, and then we'll start stacking them on these pallets to save.
No! I need you to...
We got all the metal that we found in the shed, and then a couple of doors were so banged up, they weren't really usable, so we threw all that in there, and we're headed to the scrap yard now. Go ahead and scrap all this, so we can get a little chunk of change. Probably won't be much, but at least we can get this off the farm and out of the way. No, don't let him out.
Look over here. Look in the mirror. Everyone thinks this is cool.
You moved so much of that. Not my trailer. So we got the pallets laid out. Store all of the materials, post and lumber that we bring off of the barns. So the boys have gotten both doors all broke apart. You can see where the door was laying here for a year or so. So a lot of that lumber was just kind of junk. And so we've scrapped the bad stuff. A lot of it was again, with the way that it came off, it was really torn up. So we just kind of scrapped most of that tin on the door on both sides. So that's all taken to scrap. It's cleaned up. We salvaged what we could. Got the doors done. Got a lot of the inside cleared out. I still got a little bit, as you can see, but we're gonna go ahead and start on this wall here. and we're gonna start taking the 10 down and stacking the 10 on our pallets over there. So this should go fairly fast, just a lot of nail pulling and taking them back and forth through the pallet. So once we do this, this will open up a lot of this stuff, and so we'll be able to, you know, easily pull trailers up here and grab the rest of this junk out of here. Just come along here. We're gonna need a bucket. A lot of these are already loose. Just pull your nail out and place it in a bucket. So if you want to get started on that, and then you're obviously gonna need a ladder, but you can get to a lot of them. You can just go along here and get a lot of them here. Like these first 2 rows anyway, and get those done. I'll get a chainsaw and I'll get that tree out of your way that's growing up there.
Oh. But the temperature was going to change for some reason.
Just do your best not to tear up or bend it, because we can use this for building stuff, or we can sell it, but we don't use to build stuff with. Okay. Yeah, I was like, how much do you want to do? He's like, I think we can just get it done today.
Daddy, I'm scared.
Got it.
You know,
I have definitely put that in the video.
no.
And I got you.
Just get this down already. I've been waiting 8 years for this.
Where'd he go? I looked away.
Hey, start at one side, the loose side, and wedge that out, and then keep going. Hey, Aiden.
Sorry, I didn't know it'd fall that quick. Oh, you're right.
Quit acting like you're doing something. What are you nailing in that thing anyway?